Yo. What up? What up? Oh, man. What up? What up? Yo, what up, Tris? Nate? Neo? Jim? SMT? Double O's here? Jeez. What up? What up? Boom, 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 boom. Yo, this has been a straight back and forth. This shit's crazy. Literally just back and forth. Anyone just playing this back and forth? I think I'm going to.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think I'm going to until I lose. Just go back and forth. Oh, we back. It's crazy. That's literally my plan until we break one way or the other. Let's see what happens. Nothing else to really do. There's no other real play here. Did I What up, Donna? Oh, man.
Order filled. Order filled.
That's the only play, is just go back and forth. We might. I am just literally going back and forth. I will not short it, I don't think. I don't think I'm going to short it. I think I'm just going to go back and forth. Down, up, down, up. I had an unreal day, by the way. I was short when we got off the stream, and I swapped. Let's see if I have it on here. One of these accounts. No. I'll show you what I did. Well, I definitely played that, but so I was short when we got off. I had one contract. I actually took my loss, and then I jumped in 2 contracts and basically got all my money back, plus some on some of the accounts. The reason I changed my the reason I changed was like we just had a clear, this ended and then we started. And once we started kind of pushing back up, I was like, oh, I can't be short into this. What up, Enrico? What up, soy boys? But yeah. So now I'm just gonna sit here and watch this thing go back and forth, I guess. Hang out, shoot the shit, watch it go back and forth. I didn't watch the game. Did anyone buy? I bought one. You passed 5 of them? Yo, you can always go on Craigslist and get the money for them. It's a lot of $20, but it is what it is. I'm just messing around. I mean, that's like $900, $850. It's a lot. It's a lot. Oh, this thing just died up here. Doesn't know what to do. Yeah, you got to make 6,100 to clear the buffer to get paid. I'm wondering though. This is what I was wondering. Like, if you have 5 of them and you get to max payout on all, they might just send you to live after that. I'm so afraid that they're just going to push you to live if you take too much of a payout. Bro, this is just back and forth now. You have a long in the middle of it? Oh, geez. I don't know. I mean, they push people live that had legacy accounts. So what? I don't know. What does it mean to push you live? They get rid of all your accounts and you have one account with $3,000 of drawdown. Yeah, funded live. What up, Ethan? Dude, I don't need to make listen, we can go sideways the rest of the day. I'm set. I'm set. I ended up crushing it. So when the early stream ended, I took that L on the short and I flipped long in a lot of accounts and just crushed it. Tawana, aka Tawan. I think you have a better chance of going up, but I agree, it could definitely come down and then back up. What up, Lee? I think that's more likely, it flirts with your stop loss. This is what my Ninja account looks like right now. That's my full day. Now, don't get me wrong. There's some red accounts, but the green far outweighs the red. And I make sure to say that. Yes, I do have a few red accounts. Playing with a couple legends. Yeah. I fucking YOLO'd the shit out of a couple, like, last night and whatnot. Everything I actually traded for, like, real trades, everything's green except for these two accounts. These are the only two accounts that I actually, like, really, like, traded that are red. Everything else that I actually took trades are green. I think we're going to break out of this one way or the other pretty hard. I would like to see, so this is what I would call the tea bag. So you're going to get a candle that tea bags down and then back up and through. That's what I think is going to happen. Boom, 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 boom. Just looking. Man, big old T-back candle. We should do a numbers game, by the way, because this is going nowhere. We'll do a quick numbers game for just people that are here early. Only for the people here early. Should I keep trading? That's kind of up to you, Cindy. Honestly,
Order filled.
kind of
Order
up to you.
filled.
I'm just trying to play the range. What up, Big Weenie? Your time to shine with numbers? All right, hold on. I'll get the random numbers up. All right, it's going to be 1 through 50. All right. I got to switch this to live chat. Hold on. Ready, set, go. 1 through 50. 1 through 50. Do it for the early crew. Ooh. Oh, shit. Somebody just got it. Hold on. Somebody just got it. It was 14. Oh, shit.
Order filled.
Just so I don't lose. Who got it? Clint. Clint. Way to represent real quick. What did I make? 70 bucks. Oh, keep going. Keep going in the chop. Oh, this is. Oh, we're going to bust out of the chop. I'm going to be in a mini. Just go. Just go. Just go. Go. Get out of here. Oh. Let's go. I'm trying to think what's today anyways. Oh, dude, Camel Toe Tuesday today. Boom. Yeah, all I'm doing right now is just scalping a couple dollars. I think that was $135. Better go warm up the camel. Dude, I gotta talk about warm up. I gotta shut this shit off. How do I get? Dude, I got this new phone, and all my apps are all over the place. That it's not the normal stuff. Dude, it's just going back and forth, man. May the odds forever be in your favor. I'm only getting in and out, but I've scalped it twice, so I'm up. Listen, I'll add $130 a couple times. Bro, super sideways. Market, don't go sideways because I need cash now. Yo, I have a Lucid account. I just got over half. I did 1,100 today in it. Tradeify funded 322. Are we going to bust out of this thing? I think we end up busting out. Oh, yeah, I had a great day. I'm just fucking sitting here being like, I'll have one of those Legends accounts tomorrow, funded. It's definitely kind of losing steam, though. You kind of getting this rounded top. You know what I mean? It's going to have to make a move soon. Yo, what up, Sean? What the fuck am I up to? Making money? What up, Straw? You making money? I'm earning. I did not watch the Argentina. So what happened at the Argentina match that everyone's talking about? Morning, Danny. What's this art? What happened on this Argentina match? I feel like I'm missing out. They were down 2-0 with 10 minutes left. Get the fuck out of here. Dude, that's wild. So what do? They do penalty kicks? How do they determine who wins? Bro, Messi took over. I see Messi scored. Dude, imagine they lost against Egypt. Bro, that's crazy. Yeah, I see they won in extra time. Dude, they scored and then scored 4 minutes later. And then scored like 10 minutes after that. Oh, he scored and then he set up a goal. I'm going to have to watch. I'll watch it. Oh, I'm doing great, actually. I'm doing great. I just, for something that we're not really moving, I'm doing amazing.
In a statement, Saudi Foreign Ministry says Iran targeted a Saudi tanker that was transiting at the Strait of Hormuz. NYMEX WTI crude August futures settle at $70.44 a barrel, at $1.89 or 2.76%. NYMEX gasoline August futures settle at around $2.95 a gallon. NYMEX diesel August futures settle at around $3.30 a gallon.
Yeah, I'll tell you what. Iran
And
targeted a
NYMEX natural
Saudi
gas August
tanker.
futures settle at $3.26.
Yo, it seems like they're heating up on the strait again. Qatar is saying that they're being targeted. Now Saudi is they're being targeted. It's interesting. They took away a goal. I didn't even see it. Whose goal got taken away? Argentina or Egypt? What up, Tiago?
The Saudi Foreign Ministry says it holds Iran fully responsibility for such attacks and its repercussions.
Bro, these guys fucking, the strait is heating up. That's all I'm going to say. I wouldn't be surprised to wake up and we're back to fucking step one, just throwing it out there. Market's down also a bunch. I mean, I'm going to be honest with you. I'm probably bullish as long as we stay above this blue line. Probably above this blue line is my line in the sand. We lose this blue line and 500 here, my bias kind of changes. But until then, it's hard for me to say, you know, it looks bearish. You're getting a rounded top. I'm just saying that you could definitely get some bounces that could get you out. Yo, that's what I was longing it for. I longed it a couple times, probably like 5:30. That's all you got to do. It's that easy. Guys, I'm addicted. What are you addicted to? Yo, what was that? What is that place called? The Grandma's Boy? Madam whatever's place? Yo, I can't think of the name. Oh, geez. You guys. I just asked ChatGPT. It's like Madam something. They don't even know. What up, Jack? Yeah, this is coming off the rails here. I think you're gonna get a bounce.
Order filled.
I'm only scalping this. 100.
Order filled. Order filled.
Yeah, boy. I'm crushing it today. I'll be on. Oh, yeah, that's it, Madam. Kamaz, Filipino Palace, bro. But yeah, I'm up other places outside my ninja that I can't. Like I'm up 180 here. I'm up in these next gen accounts, but that doesn't. You know what number I was looking at, dude? It might have been 440. So this is what I was really looking for. See how you have this overlap of this fair value gap inversion to the upside and this fair value gap? 29, 420. This range would be a nice, it's an overlap. This is what I would be looking for. If we can get there, I would definitely take a bounce. Yeah. I don't know what that lines up with. I don't know what these two lines are. Oh, that's the continuance. Well, here's a strategy I have. As you can see, this isn't the right settings though, but it's close. Profit factor 1.88. Drawdown is pretty high though. You can play in micros. I'm just looking to see what we're tapping into an hourly FVG. Like, I'm not going to lie to you. This isn't like the best freaking setup. I'm telling you, that's the line right here. If it stays above, it's probably going to bounce. I would play it above. I might play it above right here, actually.
Order filled. Order filled.
And listen, if it comes below, my whole bias is short. But this would be this is where I flip to go short bias rather than, everything above here is bullish. Everything above this is bearish. So I'm basically buying it support. I mean, get out of 5 there, and come on, baby. Listen, also, if you ever take these and you're up, take your money. Scalp King, I just find opportunities that I feel the percentages are in my favor, and that's it. That's all I'm looking for, is a better percentage for than the other side. What I like about the market, Ethan, also is like it's me against me. I don't have to go against anybody. I can play what I want. And the reason you don't have to play against anybody, which makes it even better, is like there's no ego in it. I'm not sitting here like, oh, I just beat you. Like, I do think the overall trend is lower, but I definitely thought we would bounce. I'm probably going to. This is an eval, so I might add right here at fucking. Watch, if I add right here,
Order filled.
I'm risking 10 points, and my upside is 20. I might get stopped, but if it does bounce, so I added 10 here at 92. Let's see if I can get out of these 10 up. If I don't, I don't. I'm risking very little money. I'm risking just this little bit to make a lot more. I wouldn't play this in a funded account. I probably wouldn't even touch a funded account the rest of the day, unless maybe you went short and you held like a stop, like a large stop. Like if you went short with like a large stop, would probably be the only like funded account trade that I would see. So you're not playing like little scalps. You're just going with like the trend. But I probably wouldn't play any funded. It's 241. We just chopped for freaking 2 hours. The odds of you getting like a freaking really clean, like great setup. I think, you think I need a 250K for some fun? Do you want me to light one up? I'll light one up for the stream. For the stream only. That's not where VWAP is. Is it? No. I gotta find my 2XFA. I will get one and we will go freaking. Yeah, man. I mean, under that blue line, that was it. Retest would be nice. All right, so let's see. What do you want me to get? It's a legacy account. Was this 250K? That's the only play that I would see in a funded account. Would have been a short with a large stop. Oh my God. Did I just do that? Bro, I just bought a rhythmic one. I'll deal with that fucking dude. I just bought a rhythmic one. I wasn't paying attention, Sean. So now I got to risk that on CPI. That's definitely a CPI move now. So stupid. Dude, who am I going to blame for doing that?
China.
Yeah, that's who I'm going to blame.
China. 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 China.
Oh, man. Got to blame somebody, man. Well, I didn't mean to buy the Rhythmic account. I apologize. Dude, we're crushing it today, though. I think if this retests, I will probably take this in one of these 150s to see if I can hit it. Dude, Kill Tony's hysterical. What do you want to see, boys and girls? You want to see something? A little something, something? I mean, the whole trend has changed.
According to the US Treasury website, the US issues amended Iran-related general license.
Order filled.
Dude, they're hitting these boats over in Iran. This is getting freaking wild. Do not start trading funded accounts. What do you want? Want me to start slamming this 250K? You guys are bad influences. There's no way this thing lasts till the end of the day for me.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I just got to remember, though, that this is a trailing account. Bro, if it lasts longer than 2 hours. Dude, this news is crazy, man. It's heating up. Saudi ministry is basically saying that there's going to be repercussions because they just said Iran is fully responsible for attacks and repercussions. So you got to assume, I'm with you. I have one legacy to blow as well. I dropped 8 minis.
So the Treasury are revoking the June 21st Iran-related waiver.
I just want people on the stream to realize when I'm trading that cartoon, like, I'm just kind of fucking YOLOing it for the fun of the stream. It's super hard to make $15,000 freaking dollars with a $6,500 drawdown. Yeah, I mean, you got to assume they're gonna. I'm waiting to hear.
The US issues license related to Iranian origin oil.
You guys like the news, though, right? You guys like hearing?
For the US Treasury website, amended US license for revocation and wind down of June 21st authorization for production, delivery, and sale of Iranian crude oil.
US just revoked their waiver.
So according to a US official, the US Treasury Department, according to an official, the Iran's actions in the Strait of Hormuz were wholly unacceptable to the United States and will be met with consequences.
Oh, bro.
Order filled.
This thing's gonna. Do you hear the news?
And further from the official, US negotiations continue to work in good faith towards a
Order
final
filled.
deal.
Order filled.
I don't even know why it popped. I don't even know why we popped. The news is bad. They just dumped it. Look at this.
So see some strength in WTI crude here off the back of these reports.
Order filled.
Told you, I don't understand why we
So
popped.
seeing strength in the US dollar, a bit of weakness in the S&P 500. So again, according to an official, Iran's actions in the Strait of Hormuz were wholly unacceptable to the United States and will be met with consequences.
Yo, anybody get that? Smash the fucking confetti. I don't know. Look, it literally popped and took me out. I was just smart enough to get back in because I knew the news. We're hearing the news like early. Yeah, I got back in because I knew.
So oil futures extend gains post-settlement. Brent and WTI up more than 3% after the US revoked general license that authorized to sell of Iranian oil.
Bro, there's no way that this doesn't fucking keep going. Oh yeah, keep it going.
So oil rising in post-settlement trading. WTI briefly topped $71 a barrel.
Oh yeah. Keep it fucking going. Dump this candle. Yeah, boy.
Order filled.
Ooh, shit. Oh, what source is the news from? Financial Juice. The juice. The juice is loose, baby. Bro, I'm crushing these take profit trader accounts. All right, so I guess I'll go back to this thing. This isn't where VWAP is. They literally stopped me out at the top on this account. Honestly, I might just fucking hold like 8 minis here.
Order filled.
Here's 5 minis. I'm just going to hold this shit and see if they just sell it off the rest of the day. Whatever happens, happens. This is one of those, I mean, listen, do not follow this. Do not fucking follow this. Do not follow this. Like, this can blow the account. Like, just don't. Just don't. Short all day on gold. I haven't watched gold in a while. Damn. Gold dumpy pooed. I remember when a move like this would be like $200. That was like $55. Bro, this thing, just unload it. Just fucking unload it. I'm not going to risk shorting it here in any other account. I think if we give up this 400 level, I mean, I don't want to say it's crazy, but it wouldn't be surprising to see all the way down here this blue line. Somebody's calling me. It says spam. So you just got to watch out for these random fucking pops. Now, listen, my account might blow. This account could blow. I just think the overall trend is going to be lower. I'm short bias, probably for the rest of the day. They might have these like little bounces and whatnot, but like, I don't know, man. To me, the news just doesn't sound good. But obviously, U.S. negotiators continue to work on a work in good faith towards a final deal. Like, why do they have to put that up? This is 50% of the move up.
Spot gold falls nearly 1%.
Good call, man. I was not looking at that. Bro, a bunny blue pounding? Dude. I actually sold MU puts at 800, by the way.
Brent crude futures settle at $74.16 a barrel, up $2.17 or 3.01%. US Treasury yields extend rise as oil gains further. 10-year hits fresh 4-week high and last at 5.4 basis points at 5 spot.
Why can't I see my account history P&L wise on TradingView? I don't actually know. You should see order history. So when I trade on TradingView, this is what it looks like. This is my funded account. I'm up $192 here. I have order history. I don't know. I don't have like anything past that. All my funded accounts are up over there. One's up $192.50. One's up $192. And the other one's up $35. Dude, this gives up this 50% line, man. You better call fucking house cleaning.
US Treasuries extend losses as oil rises to highs of the day.
This thing's gonna fucking dump out. I have never really dealt with these trailing of like the big trail. I'm trying to figure out what I want to do here. I should probably start taking a little profit at some point, right? I can't let this come back on me. If it comes back, I got to get out. Like, I can't let it go against me. The trail will kill me. You know what I'm saying? No, I'm saying. The trailing drawdown in this account will kill me. I think the max drawdown is what, 6,500. I can't let the drawdown go to like 3,000. I just can't. No, I'm saying. I feel like I should just lock in some of this shit, right?
Order filled.
I just don't want to get crushed on a freaking I can always re-enter. I can always tell her I'm ready for round 2. I can't get my drawdown back.
Brent crude extend gains, trades above $75 a barrel.
I just got taken out.
So according to a study, chip industry faces shortage
Order
of up to
filled.
157,000 jobs by 2030. Chip worker shortage to be the most acute in Texas and California and New York. Semiconductor worker
Order
shortfall
filled.
impels US chip factory revival.
See, these are end-of-day accounts, so I can do whatever the fuck I want in these.
Order filled.
Boing, boing. Bro. Oh shit, I'm still in this one. I forgot about that. Yo, did you just tell me? Yo, that's crazy. I forgot it. Yo, you know what was crazy? Is when I moved these down, I thought I was missing an order. And I was like, whatever, I don't know. Yo, that shit's funny as hell, Nighthawk.
So the S&P 500 extending losses down 0.55%. This is following the headline from the semi-industry group, McKinsey and NSF, saying that the chip industry faces shortages of up to 157,000 jobs by 2030, according to one of their studies. We also had oil prices strengthening and a further weakness in stocks, following the US officials saying that Iran's actions in the Strait were wholly unacceptable and the US and will be met with consequences. Again, seeing a further weakness in stocks, a bit of strength in oil as well.
Bro, met with consequences. That's like when I ask for a sandwich with extra mayo and I don't get it. There will be consequences. I'm just messing around. Oh, I hope you guys enjoy making money. Yo, I told you once we broke that blue line, it's fucking bear bias, man. It's super bearish. I just can't trade a funded account down so many points. I treat my funded accounts like gold. I'll tell you what, we come down here, I'm taking the bounce. It's hard to keep shorting this, though. Not gonna lie. I mean, there's no buyers, though. You could just tell these bounces are shit. Watch, we're gonna bounce up to this red line at 88 and then
The
dump.
dollar
That'd be
index as
awesome.
well, rising to a day's high as oil's climbing.
Come on, bounce up to 88 and then reshort it. Did that just not get my freaking order? Dude, that missed my order on this wick. Oh my God. I was able to I got billed in this account, but it fucking didn't get me in that account. I wanted to get in both. This looks like I'm going to get stopped, though. I just got stopped. I had my order here, just didn't fucking get me. Oh. How's everybody doing? Everybody doing good? Who's doing good? What are you guys doing? You up? You up, down? Who's locking in payouts? I want to hear some good stuff from you guys. I want to hear something. Tell me you're up. Tell me you're long and you keep adding. And I'll just shake my head a bunch. Yo, Steven is up 257 on the day. Boom. Dude, that's awesome, man. I feel like you're crushing it, Steven. Deuces is up. I feel like Steven's been crushing it a lot. You're out of everything? Dude, this is going to be a wild take. I might take this to the upside. This will be a quick scalp in my mind. Jack Boom got a 1K payout coming from Bob the Builder account. Here you go. Did they allow you? Did they change it? We could have more than one now?
Order filled.
We're not going to pump. Oh, no, you're losing it. I definitely overbought contracts. Fuck me. Oh, my God. I definitely overbought like a motherfucker. Okay. Dude, this thing's roasted. Jesus. This thing's done. This thing is, I might just short and hold.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, I just got, every time I bring that thing on my screen, I get stopped out. Every time I bring that over, I get freaking stopped. This thing's just dumping. Do I dare do it? I don't want to do it. I don't want to do it. Come on, get through 50 for me. All right. Oh, I brought it on the screen. Don't you dare stop me out. All right, lock in $50. Yo, I just turned this account green. This is a funded account, so. Oh. I just got filled on a call, so hopefully it pumps. Yeah, that's a next gen account. I don't love I'll be honest with you, I don't love trading on TradingView. But for transparency, these are all funded accounts. I'm up 168 in this account. I'm up 378 in this account. I'm up 192 in this account. They're all funded. Yo, what up, Matt? One of these, the one that's up 168, I already took a payout. I'm $300 away from another payout. You're gonna buy again at 300? Yeah, I'll play the new song today. I'll play it. Remind me in 45 minutes to play it. I'll play it for you. I'll definitely play it. Dude, this thing just not stopping. I was wondering if I was still in this, but I got stopped. Dude, this is so far. So far. Jeez, all you gotta do is just hold. This is getting interesting for a bounce, just being honest with you. I might take this as a bounce somewhere. I'm definitely taking a long at this blue line. Without a shadow of a doubt. I'm definitely taking that long. Oh. Is it going to go down there? I don't know. But my order will be waiting for you. A 702 bounce. Not terrible idea. We have a giant boo pattern forming on the 1 minute. If you draw me a diagram, I will bring it on the stream. Can I lock in a payout today in this next gen account? No. Just zoom out. Maybe I'm missing it. Oh, man. I'm just thinking. Boom, 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 boom. I'm thinking. This thing's just fucking going down. Holy shit bags. Dude. This thing is just freaking shitting itself. This is crazy. I mean, the news came out. We all heard it. I mean, I remember the days for us to move 300 points was like crazy. Now it's happening in fucking an hour. What up, Baxter? Literally, it's happening in an hour now. It's crazy. Miss Goody, I mean, you could have made generational wealth today. I think I'm going to take one right here.
The dollar index extending gains as oil prices rise after the US has revoked licenses to authorize Iranian oil sales.
I might take one mini right here.
Order filled.
We're right on that, right here. You think gold's going to start ripping? Dude, they just missed getting my order. Are you shitting me? Oh, don't you dare do that.
Order filled.
Whatever. I just freaking hopped in. I don't think this is going to be a full. I'm just looking for a quick bounce. I think you can get a whole trend change down at 260, but I was just looking for a bounce right off the 786. I wouldn't trade any funded accounts here. I wouldn't do shit. Oh, I got stopped. Holy fuck. This I'm going to take, though. Holy shit, dude. This is crazy. Just not stopping. Dude, that's not even a little bounce there. There's nothing. Holy shit, dude. Come on. Was that it? They basically got me out, and now they're bouncing it? Fuck me, man. I'd be green right now. I don't trust this. If this pushes over, I'll play.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm gonna play right like that. I don't trust it though. I'm no, this shit's just gonna fucking dump. That's crazy. I'm not exposing myself to any other accounts. This would be the only account that I play. That's how I'm going to manage risk, just an FYI. I don't even know. This kind of sucks that it didn't go further. Just keep jabbing. What up, Wolf? I'd grab one. If I go, I'm going to grab one mini, and my stop would be 290. And if I lose, I'm done with this account until CPI. There's just no like buying. Like we're not pushing out of this shit at all. Seems like you're just getting enough. You're not really getting that velocity. I know as soon as I buy, it's going to come back down.
Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson say that Qatar's accusations against Iran regarding the attack on vessels linked to the country in the Strait of Hormuz are perplexing and inconsistent with the principle of good.
Man, this is a weak ass bounce. Oh, what's up, Mason?
Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson says commercial vessels using uncoordinated routes with Iran or tampering with the ship's tracking face risks and disrupt Iran's efforts to facilitate safe passage in the Strait of Hormuz.
All right, that's going to be a no bueno situation. If this falls back below 300,
And Iran's foreign ministry spokesperson says that Iran is diligently fulfilling its commitments per the MOU in regards to necessary measures to manage the Strait of Hormuz.
this thing's going to fucking dump.
Order filled. Order filled.
I have to stop out though if I get to like 200. Oh, it's getting fucking iffy. I probably should have only bought one mini, to be honest with you.
Order filled.
Fuck, that sucks. Sucks because I was right. Oh. Ta. Sucks because I was just right. What did you use to get the news? I'm on Financial Juice. I was just right, and it's just I had no drawdown. I got a couple micros, but oh, that sucks. I literally sold out at the freaking top because I was worried about blowing the account. I'll probably get stopped out here too. Oh, I mean, I'm gonna stopped out for a gain, but I literally bought the same time as the other accounts, but this one has a drawdown, obviously, and I bought a lot smaller piece. I think we're going to see 60 is what I think we're going to see. Dump it. $98. I don't know. We're getting in a situation. The market closes in 33 minutes. We've dumped a lot. I don't know. That's a big freaking candle right there. That's a really big candle. MOC about to go crazy. Which way? Which way you thinking? Up or down? Better go tell grandma. Bro, tell her bingo friends to fucking get in. Ma, the meatloaf. Watch this just bounce and just. I think we do a little dip and then rock it. Wouldn't surprise me. I'll tell you what. This thing starts moving up. You're gonna get a bunch of short covering going into the end of the day. That's what's gonna happen. You're gonna get a bunch of short covering. I can't believe I fucking did that to my TPT account. Yeah, it's only down 2%. You need that spark though. You need the push to initiate the covering. That's what you need.
Voice news disconnected.
Holy shit. Holy fuck. Am I playing MOC? Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Bro, that was crazy. I want to play 3 micros if this continues.
Order filled.
I'm not risking much money though. I'm risking $60. 60 to see if it just continues up. I don't think it's going to. I'm getting the stochastics are turning over. If this goes, I'd be shocked. Hold on one second. Oh. Hello? Let's see. Fuck off.
Order filled.
Just go. Just fucking go. Be crazy. I'm curious if it goes all the way back up to like VWAP or something. If I get stopped, I won't use this account anymore. This is only because if the momentum does continue, I mean, you might be able to get some crazy freaking move here. Some freaking like 80, 100 point further move. Come on. No, don't do that. Break over 73, man. This is why I'm glad I played with small amount of micros. Even if it goes, I'm glad I played with small amount of micros, to be honest with you. I don't want to be playing this with a lot of micros or minis. Come on. Nope. Done. Roasted. Roasted. I'm out of this. I really wanted to see us hit VWAP, which was 426. You had a little 5-minute inversion happening. It just literally got invalidated. My wife's at the bank and doesn't know how to send a wire. Doesn't know how to give wire instructions. Oh. Man, oh man, oh man. What up, Austin? What you doing today? Who's playing what? Who's in for MOC? Yes, they have Tradeify. Yep. I passed 2 of those accounts today. I'm going to be honest. I am 2 for 8 today, starting from last night. 2 for 8. So 25% pass rate from last night. Not great, but obviously I wasn't trading them for, I was definitely slamming them. But if you think about it, it's $11 an account, which is $88, right? So it's 88 total. And then 75 and 75 is 150 plus 88. It's 230 for 2 funded accounts. So I'm getting a funded account for $115. If you think about it, $115 for a 50K funded account is obviously super cheap, which means, if you had 10 of those, it'd be $1,100, and you need one $1,100 payout in 10 accounts to break even. The Legends buy one, get one. Legends buy one, get one. Code Cove Trader. I fucking straight YOLO'd a bunch. Like last night, I YOLO'd some while I was on the stream. I was on Asia with Sean. I YOLO'd some. $75 activation fee, $11. Like it's buy one, get one. So basically you buy 2 for, I think it's like, maybe it's $11.50. It's like $23. But you're done till MOC. It's end of day. But listen, the rules are not the best, Nighthawk. I'm not going to sit here and tell you it's better than Take Profit Trader or some shit like that. Like, I'm not telling you it's better than Lucid. It's not better than Tradeify. It's not better than Take Profit Trader. It's not better than, it's down the list, my friend. I'm just, for the cost, it's obviously worth it for me. The cost. You know, I'm banning myself on ebals the rest of the week. Spent too much over the 4th. Yeah. Get them payouts. I just got a ton of payouts the last 3 weeks. I'll be honest with you, I kind of wait for deals for the most part. I'm a big prop firm deal guy. I will wait for fucking deals. I don't really blow like funded accounts. I treat them pretty good. The worst part about trading recently to me with my fundeds was I've gotten caught in news a couple times, which sucked big time. Cartoon, they can do that. Wait, what can they do? Hold on one second. Did I miss something? What happened? The king of YOLO. I am gonna YOLO MOC with this this 250K account I got. Yeah, I mean, you gotta trade the fund that's different. Oh, yeah. I treat those pretty good. You know what I do though? Like if I get a payout in one, I'll sometimes then push it to get like a max on the second payout, and then that's when I get in trouble sometimes. You know, I'll try to max and be like, yo, I'm gonna go for a max payout here. I'm gonna, you know, and then I get freaking dealt with. That's definitely has happened. Trying to push it. Anytime I try to push it, I feel like I get smoked. Gave up that entire move to the downside. This Iran shit is really driving the market. It's the chip shit, the Iran shit. There's a bunch of shit going on. But yeah, man, they got a bunch of shit going on. Iran stuff is not great. The chip shit is not great, and I think it's just combining to be a sell-off. Well, Samsung started it like a week ago. Remember, they were down with another company over in Korea, like 10%. I think it was last week. The Korean market got freaking hammered. Is that what they had earnings? It got freaking hammered. It was that and another company. Dude, this breaks 300. We're probably going to see that blue line. Actually, you know what? I'll take 3 micros.
Order filled.
That we hold 300. I'll do that. If we don't hold 300, we don't hold 300. I'll tell you what, we get over this 26 hump. Nah. Nope. It's not going to hold. kind of liked it. Stochastics are almost at 10 on the 1 minute. Stochastics are at 10 on the 1 minute. You're kind of riding this trend right here. That if it were to bounce, this would be the spot to bounce. If it doesn't bounce here, then it's probably fucked. But if it were to bounce, the probabilities would be here. If not, then I take a loss. But I would probably take this trade again, even if I take a loss. I'm not saying it's going to go to the moon here, but you know, if I can get 20, 40 points, you know, I'm not trying to get freaking crazy here, but you know, I might take $40. There we go.
Order filled.
$61. Like, I'll take that. It was just a probability. Do you know, like, you know what I'm saying? Like, the probability is there. You're at like a trend, plus you're at right around 300, plus the stochastics are so oversold. I'm not saying this is going to go back up to the top, but I think I felt I could get 10 points off of it. That's how I trade a lot when I'm scalping, is can I get 10 points? You know, are the probabilities aligned? That's all I'm really talking about. That's all I'm really just trying to get, is the probabilities in my favor. I think people work, like, honestly, everyone's like, oh, this R to R and all this stuff, and I need to hold and this, and like, sometimes it's as easy as just aligning probabilities in your favor and taking a quick scalp. That's at least how I see it. That's how, you know, I just think there's also a gazillion strategies out there. Is the trend down? Yeah, man, the trend's probably down. MOC probably going to smoke the shit out of this thing. You know, MOC probably going to freaking rip this thing all the way down. Look, we're going down. Let's see if it breaks 300. SpaceX. Yo, there was a buy rating for SpaceX for, I think, 225 today. Something came out. They announced it on the news system. What up, Ban? How much am I up in my personal account? I'm down today. I am down. I'm probably down. Last I looked, I was down $2,700, Steven. I'm not trading futures in there, though. Just in today, I didn't trade any futures in there today. Well, I did write MU puts. Short squeeze is up to 432 if it wants to pop. Drop the chart in Discord. I'll bring the chart over. Buyers in the morning. Short news. Okay. Oh, look at you, bought here, bought there, and then sold. That was solid. That was a solid freaking trade. I like it. Always up for sharing. I like to see what other people. Yo, upside. Did you get it? I freaking was looking at the chart. That's a tan line. That's definitely a tan line. You got to pay $6,500 for that, Ms. Goody. Over here, it's free. Looks like I just had a hold. Is it going to continue up? Dude, I think it's going to sell off. I think you're going to get a sell off here. This shit's looking like a... I think we're going to run out of time, though. How's that sound? I think we're definitely going to run out of time. But that is a bear flag. Your bearish price action into a flag, that's what a bear flag looks like. Oh, the yellow, yeah. I got to look at, do you use Bookmap? Do you use Bookmap? And I'm curious, do you ever look at Bookmap and then all anybody sees is Bookmap and then you're like, boom, I just made $32,512.03. Bro, all we see is Bookmap. Yeah. I was thinking about trying Bookmap. That was weak. It was like 25 points, Steven. How many points do you want? Yo, I've done that before. I've been there when I was like, oh man, I don't want to do anything but MOC. You want 5 points? Bro, you know, you got to work for your 5 points. Nobody wants to get 5 points with me in the morning. Oh, fuck yeah, I got my 5 points. So it's more than 5 points, but 5 points triggers the sell. Is how it works. No, MOC is more. They're talking about the trade I have in the morning. It's more than 5 points, but I call it 5 points because once you hit 5 points, it triggers a sell. The power trades add-on for Quant. I have Quant Tower. I got Quant. Every time I bring it up, I'm like, look at my Quant. I try to like Quant Tower a lot. It's just, it fucks me. It fucked me this morning. I lost money because of it. Typical Quant Tower stuff. I just realized I'm in this pro account. These are all pro accounts. What up, Sean? 200. I forgot that I even traded the account. I lost 200. Yeah, it's $200 I lost in bull nuts. It should have been a win. Should have been a win. If you watch the replay, it should have been a win. This is breaking out to the upside.
Order filled.
Dude, this is so fucking dangerous of a... Do I journal? Honestly, I post my shit all over the place. So if I want to ever look at it, I can just go back and look. I posted on Twitter or X. You know, honestly, this whole channel was my journal. That's how it started. That's how this whole thing really started. Was I was just like, here, this is what, as of 2 o'clock, obviously it's changed. Like, this is what my Ninja Trader looked like. That's what my Ninja Trader looks like. There's a couple, there are red accounts. I can't fit it all on the screen. But this account was green, now it's red. This account didn't even exist, and now it exists. So there's some changes to it. I passed another Legends account on that's not on there. I blew a Legends account that's not on there. Just not YOLOing, but pretty much YOLOing. Those Legend accounts for $11. I hate to say it, but like at $11, I'm gonna pick a move and I'm just gonna buy 2 minis, and because that's the most you could buy there, and just hold it. Dude, if this runs into close, I'm going to drift with that 250K account. Just an FYI. Boom, boom, boom. Boom, boom. I'm looking. Man, this thing's freaking... Yeah, I see, Sean. All right, let's see what happens here. You want to stop loss? We'll do a 40. What are you going to risk? $800? Let's see what happens. Oh, baby. If you don't know, we'll see what happens. I will say, this might just fucking pump. It could just pump. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. 30 seconds left. Oh, I got tagged in early. Fuck me. I got tagged in early. I'm going for it again. Fuck it. Tell me it just wicked me and it's gonna go. It's gonna just fucking bust out over 400 and go. There it is. I'm oh, jeez. Watch it go up like 80 points. See, this is what kind of sucks about this account. Like it's trailing. So it's only down $500. My drawdown is down $2,200. $2,200 freaking dollars. Like now I got to make $15,000 with a $4,200 drawdown. Like that's what I'm trying to explain to you guys. I would say, you know, that's why I'm like about them. I'm Oh, CPI is the only place to really trade it, Code. Honestly, that's all I really got it for. I'm going to buy at 27 contracts on CPI and just fucking full send it. I mean, that's really what it is. That's what type of account it is. You know, like it's not really, there's no way I'm going to trade that and just try to get $15,000. Like the amount of time and effort I got to do that, I could be getting fucking payouts. You know what I mean? I'd be getting payouts all over the place for $15,000. Just not my thing. Oh, what up, Lex? Oh, big ball rider? Jeez. I need to turn my air conditioning on, man. It's hot as shit in my... Turn this air on, bro. The boo-boo... There is no boo-boo short play. Oh. Everybody have fun today? Any questions? Cole, how long did it take them to fix your phone? They didn't fix it, Tawana. So my phone is sitting in a Tupperware that's sealed in rice. The guy told me to leave it in there for a week. So basically I got to leave that in for a week to see. So I never backed up my phone on the cloud. So I got this one for free. I actually got an iPhone 17 for free. I got there, he got it to me for free. And so I don't know. Basically, if that phone starts up, I'm just going to go there and might push everything to this phone. Other than that, that phone is smoked. Yeah, I already got a new cover and everything. Dude, I may or may not have told that joke. Damn, they're just pumping this thing. Yo, Code, I sold MU puts. I only sold one. It's up $165 today. We'll see what happens tomorrow. But being that it bounced, MU's got to drop $140 for me to get in the money. I feel like that was a decent sell. It was to collect $620 by Friday. See what happens. What? Instead of rice, put a plate in the oven, preheat to 180, and then turn oven off? Wrap phone in towel? I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. I think today was pretty good. I liked it, except for when we just sat and did nothing for a while. But to me, like I said when we were up here, the key to me was if we broke below this blue line, I got bearish. I thought everything kind of played out really well today. Yeah, it's already been a day. I'll stick to the rice. I'll stick to the rice. Melts everything. Yeah. I'm on rice mode. It probably won't melt anything at 180 because I go in the sauna and the sauna is 194 and I'm in there for 15 minutes. My phone doesn't melt. How many payouts did I get total or with the accounts I just had? Total or accounts I just had? Flush twice. With those accounts, on my second payout, they pushed me live in four accounts. That was my second payout. I think they saw what was coming back. They saw I had 4 accounts that were basically at the buffer, and they would have to start really, really paying out. And they were like, I don't think we want to pay out this money. I think that's what happened, personally. You know what I'm saying? If I were to guess, there's some type of risk thing on the back, and they're probably like, this person, dude, I made $10,500 in profits in those accounts. Yo, TPT's TFP? I don't know what TFP is. What's TFP, Danny? Oh, TPT, yeah. Those are awesome. Those are awesome. Oh, stretch my back out. But yeah, man, it's crazy. Crazy. Second payout, they pushed me live, but I think because I built so much money up in all the accounts, they obviously knew I wasn't leaving without a lot more payouts. That's what I think happened. I think they were like, man, this guy's making a lot of money in all these accounts, and somebody reviewed the account, was like, hey, this is somebody that we should push live. I mean, some people want to get, I didn't want to get, the live program sucks. Their live program, dude, it's one account with $1,000 end-of-day drawdown. What the fuck is that? One account, $1,000 drawdown. So stupid. Elite trader funding. Don't get any accounts there. It's the worst live program I've ever seen. Anyone that's honestly, if you see somebody that's a partner with them and pushing them, just unfollow them. Seriously. It's literally the worst fucking program I've ever seen. And if you're actually telling people to get them, you're not helping anybody out. It's just an FYI. Just an FYI to anybody that's TPT is great. You get 5 accounts, no consistency rule, no rules. Just don't trade fucking news. Traders launch is like that. It's just the eval side is not as good, but they're like that. Fidias hosed me too. So Fidias hosed me also. Yeah, Fidias hosed me. I don't forget. Never forget. Hashtag never forget.
Oh no.
This is for Miss Goody.
Not like this. Sean C caused this. So here we are.
I like big stops, I don't pretend. Tight stop traders get offended. One tick shake and they out to play. Marie still in like, yeah, I'm staying. Chart starts wiggling, Discord loud. Someone already panicking in the crowd. Stop too close, yeah, that ain't wise. Marie sitting comfy while the weekends cry. Chat moving fast, mod say chill. Someone posting nonsense against their will.
Chase Styles.
Message, leans back slow.
Bruh, why would you even type that though?
Laughs a little.
Are you deucing?
Well, that just ruined mail for me, no hocus. Whole chat broken, stream derailed. Sean
Of course you're here, because I don't have to leave. Now everyone's gonna be here.
And she cannot lie. Wicks get wild, she's still inside. When the market chops and the setup's dry, she widen that stop, let the trade decide. Yeah, Murray likes big stops, and she cannot lie. While tight stops cry, and that's why market don't go sideways, cause I need cash now. Somebody tweet something.
Miss Goody like them big stops, baby.
Sideways candles, mental strain. Discord praying for volatility rain. Someone types it. Everyone knows.
Marie does these lyrics.
There you go.
Miss Goody, like this isn't Suno lyrics. She actually writes the lyrics down.
Chat explodes. Nobody learns. Marie still holding while the market turns. Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. That extra room keeps trades alive. If it wicks down hard, she won't comply with fear-based exits or panic replies. Yeah, Marie likes big stops, and she cannot lie. Discord unhinged, Sean C nearby.
She's super talented.
Song stuck in your head all day. That's on him. We tried to say no, okay? This was unnecessary. This was avoidable.
So I was told to play this. This is Matt's new song. We'll get one more. Yo, Matt, you got.
I sold my boots for a chart tip, bought high on a rumor run, fed them bulls my hard-earned pay and watched it all come up.
I don't know, man.
They beat me black and blue frame.
I think you.
My pride in the dirt. I was down by the loading gate with a paper hadn't hurt. Then Uncle Red just grinned at me, said, "Boy, you missed the trick."
Matt, not one of your bests.
So I just wear
Dude, his other one wasn't bad. This one, this is like country rock. This one was good. I don't know. This is Marie's other one. You got 10 seconds. Oh, you're here. Yeah, I'm having fun. We'll give somebody else another chance. This one's so good. Yeah, oh no, Big Stops. No, Big Stops wasn't a Marie song. I am mistaken. That was somebody, I think that might have been Matt. Chris, you here? Yo, Future's made some great songs. I don't know what happened to him. Yo, you got 10 seconds, Tris. Yo, P. Diddy will be jealous. All right. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bum. Bro, that's just so good. Yo, Tris? Nah, he's somebody. Yo. It's all automated. I don't type in anything, so you should see your stuff. There's just so many of them go off the screen. Oh my God, whose duck is that? Oh, Richard. Desiree, you here? Yeah, it sucks. Because there's so it has 100 ducks. There's another Marie banger. Straight banger. PhD. Holy shit, Jasmine. Bro, what was that? Yo, Jasmine's camel was on some freaking Afghani opium. Bro, that shit was wild. It's leading like the whole time. It's all the way up front. Oh, finally. Finally, Jasmine. Jeez. Take a breather. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Boom. Clinton won numbers early. Yo, some Afghani. Was hanging out in the opium fields over there. The poppy fields. Clint, send me an email. I can't. Oh, by the way, we're doing the, you guys, I should have told everybody about this earlier. Here you go. We're going to do a Tradeify giveaway at night. Tradeify giveaway at night. That'll be Thursday. Some Darrow strawberry. Oh, Marie's gonna blow my freaking ears with that one. I'm just looking to see what else we got. Oh, this one's pretty good. Oh. Anybody got questions? Too hot, Jasmine. Too hot. Yo, anybody got questions about anything? Strategies, charts, trading view, Claude, prop firms, anything? I'm here. I'm here. Anybody got questions? Jay was pretty. Jay was awesome. I shall see you tomorrow, Enrico. Sure, ask me anything you want, Miss Goody. All right, guys. I think I'm gonna head out. Just remember, Apex ends today. If you wanted those 250 accounts or 90% off, it ends today. So just an FYI. I think it ends at midnight Eastern time. But just throwing it out there. That's it. I'm probably gonna do a 5-pack of the trailing 50s because they're cheap, 19 bucks. Other than that, I am out. I am out. I shall see you guys tomorrow. Peace.